In India, I think all households are currently so much possessed that they are hooked to e-commerce websites, no matter it's Amazon or the Decor Cart. So recently, a few days back, I was checking the Decor Cart and I was really impressed with the collection. So as you can also see, they have a unique collection and it looks all mesmerizing. And I feel like I think I should have all the products which they have. They are so delicate, though so natural as if, and you feel like you need to buy them and you need to own them. So I just happened to check one of the websites decor section which talks about a wall mounted planter kettle. It's of ceramic and it's close to 3200 rupees, and customer also has purchased it and has also asked for a new kind of uh, wall hanging planter. So I was really mesmerized with the products which they have, and I really like this one to buy. And I wanted to check if I could get it this at the same price in a better pricing, because 3002 rupees seems little high for a wall mounted planter kettle with a length of 22 width and a height of just 4.5 centimeters. So as I have already shared with you, you can also see that the material is ceramic. So I checked on the Google, and I would like to share with all of you that I did find this similar product on website, but this actually is on Taobao, which happens to be a China website. So when I go to the Taobao website, I find it the products are exactly same. So I'll show you. See, so this is all dark blue. It can be hanged on the wall. You go to Taobao, you also see the similar thing, design, same pattern, same leaf, same everything is same. It's actually the same product. So if you can see, this is also bottom is dark blue. This is also dark blue. So if we see the product material is as of the home decor, that is ceramic. It is ceramic and the style is European, and I wanted to check the size of it. Currently I'm not able to do so. I can't see any option. So but the product is same. So I just wanted to share with you that basically most of these high class websites which we see are showing excellent products for home decor. They are actually sourcing it from China. So if we come to this, the website Decor Cart clearly declares that they have exclusive designs and they have experience of traveling throughout the world to bring you the most selections available. So as a matter of fact, it is not only this product, but actually I think 80% of the products has been sourced from China, as I've clearly shared one product with you. So the price different if we see is like this is 100 yuans, and if we buy this in India, it is for 3200 rupees. So if we calculate then 100 RMB is into is close to 1000 rupees. So it actually means the product if I purchase in India, it is actually of thrice it the price is three times more. So why this pricing is so much? So one thing is the shipping cost is too much because the product is very delicate. Second is the product storage, the warehousing and all. So with all, and then the percentage of profit for the seller or for the website, so hence this is for 3200 rupees. So I leave you with this product. In coming days I will be sharing some other beautiful products with which you can actually see and check whether what the price is offered on the Taobao or other international websites. Thanks for watching.